Hi everyone, join me today for a series of gentle Qigong exercises to help you release muscle tension, breathe better, and relax the body and mind. Stand up nice and tall, soften your knees, tuck your tailbone in to relax your lower back, relax your whole body. Begin turning your body from side to side. Keep your knees slightly bent, starting the momentum from your legs. Your lower back is nice and relaxed. Your spine is long. Release the back of the neck and allow your hands to naturally follow the body. Bring your awareness to your breath and take a couple of nice, comforting breaths to relax the chest. Slow down the movement. Continue breathing in and out the nose. Raise your hands up. Exhale, sink your weight into your feet. Breathe in as you stand up. Breathe out and relax. Breathe in, allow your breath to sink down into your belly. Breathe out and soften. Continue on your own, breathing in and out the nose. Keep your shoulders nice and relaxed and the movement soft. Bring the awareness to your lower body and get grounded through your feet every time you sink down. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Slowly close your fists. Inhale, lift your shoulders up. Exhale, relax down. Inhale as you turn your head to the side. Exhale, return back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in as you turn your head to the other side. Breathe out. Continue the momentum, breathing in and out the nose. Become aware of your neck and shoulders while focusing on your breath. One more time, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and out. From here, we're gonna do spinal flexion and extension. Go ahead and open your chest to the sky. Exhale as you round your back, chin to the chest. Breathe in as you open. Make sure your tailbone is pointing out as well. Exhale forward. Full breath in as you open the chest. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Continue the momentum, breathing in and out the nose. Release, relax your neck and shoulders, and take a moment here to soften and notice how your body feels. From here, begin circling your arm as you turn to the back. This movement is easier to demonstrate than to explain. Make sure you do a full circle with your hand on one side and half a circle on the other. Keep your knees slightly bent every time you turn, starting the momentum from your feet and your legs. Notice how the movement of the legs and arms are connected. Your whole body is moving together as one. Relax your hand by the side and continue the movement on the other side. Remember to stay relaxed in your body and breathe naturally throughout the entire exercise. Relax your hands by the side. From here, go ahead and massage your lower back. Then keep your hands there. Slowly rotate your hips. You may also feel the movement in your lower back. It's more important how you feel in your lower back rather than how far you can stretch. I want you to bring your full attention to the lower back and the kidney area and feel the warmth circulating, distributing throughout your entire lower back. Change the direction. Then flip your hands and let them rest on your lower back. Step forward as you open your chest up. Slowly move back and feel a nice stretch at the back of your leg. Add in the breathing to that. Inhale as you go forward. Exhale as you rock back. Notice how your feet, your ankles, your knees, and the hip joints all working together. Feel the warmth from your hands penetrating through the skin, warming up the entire lower back. Change legs here and continue the movement for a few more minutes. Relax. Give yourself a gentle massage one more time. And relax your hands. Very good. Shake it off to the side. Relax your neck and shoulders. Next, we're going to do the exercise called Touch the Sky, Press the Earth. Go ahead and inhale as you bring your hands up. Exhale as you draw the hands down to the chest. When your hands pass the chest, flip them up and place on the lower back. Gently push forward, look up. Release the position and bend forward. Keeping your back nice and flat, let your hands slide down the back of your legs. Release down, lengthening through your back. Slowly raise up. Arms go first. Stretch upwards through the fingers and relax the whole body. Let your hands pass the chest. Turn as you push forward, look up. Release. Go forward and down, keeping your back nice and flat and your spine long. Brush the back of your legs before you let go. Slowly stand up. Release and soften here. Continue the movement, staying relaxed and present in your body. Go to the back. Open your chest. Draw your shoulders to the back. Release and go forward. Take a moment here to lengthen through your spine. Relax your hands down and slowly raise up. Reach upwards one more time. Relax the whole body. One more time. Release and soften your entire body. Let your hands relax by the side and take a moment to notice how you feel. To finish today's practice, come up on your toes as you bend your wrists towards the body. Release, bouncing into your heels, shaking off your wrists. I want you to relax every muscle in your body, open the joints, and allow the energy to travel freely up and down your spine. Every time you bounce into your heels, let go of any tension or discomfort in your body. One more time. Then go ahead and take a nice deep breath in through the nose. Exhale down the center. Guide your hands to place on your lower abdomen. And take a nice deep breath in into your belly. Staying grounded through your feet. Open in your chest. Relax through your neck and shoulders. Slowly open your eyes. And finish your practice. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you feel nice and relaxed. If you like the videos, please consider subscribing to support the work I do. And if you would like to join me live every Sunday on Zoom, consider joining my membership site. You can find all the details in the description below.